Welcome back to Math for class 11. Good morning, students. Now, miscellaneous chapter 1, exercise chapter 1. Now, let question number 1. A equal to x such that x belongs to real x square minus 8x plus 12. Now, let x square minus 8x plus 12 equal to x minus 6 and x minus 2. Okay, so x equal to 2 and 6, so then a equal to 2 comma 6 element set, and b equal to given 2 4 and 6, and c equal 2 4 6 8 so on, and d equal to 6. Find following which set are subsets of that. So 2 comma 6, 2 comma 6, 2 comma 6 belongs to this. A is a subset of B. 2 4 6 belongs to C, so B is a subset of C. And D 6, this 6, this have 6, this also 6, so D is a subset of A, and D is subset of B, and D is subset of C also. Okay, answer. Question number 2, important question. Each of the following determine whether the statement is true or false. Prove it if it is false. Give an example. First, x, if x belongs to A and A belongs to B, then prove that x belongs to B. So let suppose A equal to, let A equal to 2 comma 5, okay, B equal to 1 2 comma 5 and 6. Yeah, so let 2 belongs to A, but 2 does not belongs to B. 2 comma 5 belongs to B. Okay, so this belongs to B, not 2 belongs to A, 2 belongs to B. So A is belongs to B. 2 comma 5, 2 comma 5 belongs to B. Okay, so 2 does not belongs to B. So therefore x is does not belongs to B. Prove this. It is, therefore this is a false. Clear? And second part, if A subset B belongs to C, then A belongs to C. So give reason. Let A equal to 2 and B equal to 1 2 and 3. So C equal to 1 1 2 3 in one element, and 5 and already 6. Clear? So 2 belongs to A, 2 belongs to B also. Clear? So 2 belongs to A, B also. A is a subset of B. B is not a subset. We have 1 2 3, 1 2 only. Okay, so 1 2 3, 1 2 3 belongs to C, but B is subset C also. So 2 is not belongs to 1 1 2 3 and 5 6, means 2 is does not belongs to C. So therefore A is does not belongs to C. True? And this condition, A belongs to C, so that is false condition. Okay, right. And next, Question number third part. Okay, if A subset B, A subset B, B subset C, and then A subset C. So now let A small a belongs to A, and A belongs to B, A subset B, B subset C. So A is also belongs to A and B. B subset C, so B, then A is also belongs to C. Yeah. So B, in this condition, B subset C. So A belongs to A subset B, and A belongs to A subset C. Sorry, B subset C. So therefore A is also belongs to A subset C. Clear? So this is true. This is true condition. And fourth, similarly fourth, if A not subset B, B is not subset C, then A is not subset C. Let A equal to 1, 2 and B equal to 0, 3 and 5, and C equal to 0, 1, 2, 5, 6, sorry 8. You can 8 also, 5, 6. So A subset B, 1, 2 not given. A is not subset B according to question. B and C, no element belongs to this, only 0 and 3. So the 0, 0, okay. So 0 is not, all element of B belongs to C. So that is not, so B is not a subset of, B is not a subset of C. Okay. Not subset, this is also, but A 1, 2 and 1, 2, then A is subset of C. According to question, A is not subset, B and C is not subset, but A and C 1, 2 have 1, 2 element. So that is A is subset B, C. So that is false also. Clear? This is also false. And fifth part, let X belongs to A does not subset B, then X belongs to B. So let A equal to 5, 6, okay, and B equal to 7, 8, 9, then A is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A is not a subset B. Clear? So 5, 6 does not belongs to 7, 8 and 9. Okay. So X is does not belongs to B. Last part, sixth part. X, if A subset B and X does not belongs to B, X does not belongs to A. So X belongs to, does not belongs to B. If possible X belongs to A. A is subset B, so A is, X belongs to A, so the X is also belongs to B. Then X belongs to B also. Okay. A is also subset. A is subset B. So therefore by the contradiction means growth. Contradiction, X does not belongs to B and X does not belongs to A. Okay. Next question number 3. Question number 3. Solve A union B equal to A union C, A intersection B equal to A intersection C. Okay, so prove part B equal to C. Prove that B equal to C. So let X belongs to A union B. Okay, A union B, तो X belongs to A और X belongs to B. A union or, okay, union or union, okay, and use intersection. Sorry, intersection. So X belongs to A, but X belongs to B or X belongs to A union B. So X belongs to, this is X belongs to A union C also. Okay? X belongs to A or X belongs to C. So if X belongs to A, so hence also X is a subset of A intersection B. This X belongs to A intersection B. X belongs to A, this right, so A section B. Now X is intersection B, so X belongs to A and X belongs to B. This compulsory. It's SCF of A and B is X. Union is not a compulsory of A and not a compulsory of B. This is our choice. Clear? So X belongs to A and X belongs to C. This belongs to A, or A intersection B equal to A intersection C. So X belongs to A intersection C. A intersection B equal to A intersection C. This. So this, or X belongs to A and X belongs to C. X belongs to A, X belongs to C. So therefore B is a subset of C and C is subset of B. So therefore B equal to C proved. Next, question number 4. You can solve also. Okay, any doubt, so you can ask to me. And question number 6. Question number. Assume that P of A equal to P of B, so that A equal to B. This is question number 6. So P of A, P of B, let X belongs to A, then X belongs to A belongs to P of A, right? A belongs to P of A, and another and C belongs to, let C belongs to P of B. Okay, X belongs to A and another A is belongs to P of A, C belongs to P of B. Clear? So C belongs to P of B, thus X belongs to C and X belongs to C also. X belongs to A and C. A belongs to P of A or C belongs to P of B. So C is a subset of B, right? X belongs to A, X belongs to B. So C subset of A. This is proved. And X belongs to B also is a subset. And then C, so say X belongs to B, X belongs to B also. Clear? P of B. So then X belongs to C or X belongs to B. So then X belongs to A also. Given, so A is a subset of B. Similarly, A subset B, so B subset A. So therefore A equal to B proved. This type question, very tough question, okay, for you this first time. Solve and watch 3-4 times this video. And question number 7 is, it is true for this set A or B, A of A, B of B. So P of A union P of B equal to P of A union B. Justify your answer. So let set A equal to 0, 5 and B equal to 5, 6, and so A union B equal to 0, 5, A union B 0, 5, 5, this 6, okay, 6, and P of A, power of subsets, 5, 0, 5 and 0, 5, okay, and P of B is also given 5, 5, 6 and 5, 6, okay, and A union B given. So P of A union B, P of A, this 5, 0, 5, 6, 0, 5, 0, 6, 5, 6 and 0, 5, 6, okay. So find P of A union P of B. P of A, P of B, 5 union on all, so 0, 5, 0, 6, 0, 5 and 5, 6, okay, and union this P of A union B, 5, 0 match, and 5 also, 6 is also match, 0, 5 is also, 0, 6 is not given, 5, 6 is given, 0, 5, 6 is not given. So therefore P of A union P of B by 1 and 2, then 1 and 2 is not equal to P of A union B. This is a false condition. Clear? And question number, important question, lengthy questions, 8, 9, okay. So can you solve question number 8? A intersection B, this, okay. Question number 8 solve, then after can solve also. Question, prove that, first prove A equal to A intersection B union A minus B, and second prove A union B minus A equal to A union B. This is a lengthy questions, okay. First prove, let X belongs to A intersection B, right, A intersection B. So then X belongs to A and X belongs to B also, okay. X belongs to A minus B, A union, so this is also belongs to A minus B. So this X belongs to A and X belongs to B also. And X belongs to A intersection B, this minus B. So A intersection B union A minus B, this bracket is a subset of A. Yes, X belongs to A, X belongs to B. A or this X belongs to the intersection, and this the union of this is also X. X is a subset of X. x of subset x in this A, so A this is equal to this, clear? And A intersection B subset A intersection B subset A, this is 1, and A minus B is the subset of A, equation number 2. From 1 and 2, A equal to A intersection B union A minus B. True. This type question, okay, very difficult type question. Second part, let x belongs to A union B minus A. This is the number 1. So x belongs to A, or means union. So x belongs to B minus A. X belongs to B minus A. So here two condition, x belongs to B and x belongs to A. X belongs B minus A, to belong this compulsory B and A, and this choice already given. So x belongs to A or choice belong to A. So this x belongs to A and x belongs to B, and x belongs to A or x does not belongs to A, right? So x belongs to A union B. This is equation number 2. From this first part, second part, from 1 and 2, A union B minus A is subset of A union B. This is equation number, okay, this type. 3. By now let y belongs to A union B. Another number belongs to this. Prove that. So prove that A union B is subset A union B minus A. So y belongs to this. The y belongs to A union. Okay. Y belongs to A or y belongs to B. Y belongs to, according this, y belongs to B and y belongs to A. So therefore y belongs to A union B minus A. So therefore A union B subset A union B minus A. So from this equation number 4, from 3 and 4, A union B minus A equal to A union B. Proved. Okay, and solve remaining questions of the expression number 1 to 12. Okay, next video will be given to 13 to 16, 15, sorry. Okay.